Great job answering part A. Now it is time to answer part B. Remember, to get full credit, A and B must connect. So be very careful and go very slow when answering question B. Read the question, read all of the choices, and take your time. Make sure you try to connect all of the choices to see if it fits A. I'm giving you 5 minutes to finish one question. You need to go slow, take your time, really think about it. At the end of this video, please start the 5-minute timer. And if you finish before the timer, do not go to the next part. Pause, do Lexia, or you may read a book on Get Epic. All right, good luck, guys. You're going to crush part B.